Okay, so if you had a proofing gallery, so first of all, proofs mean completely unedited, straight from the camera, nothing's been done to them. They're just so you can pick your favorite poses. Okay, sorry, my hand is not steady. So we're gonna press open gallery, and it's 100% recommended to do this on a computer versus mobile because the site just is optimized better for a computer, and you should run Chrome because Firefox, even though I think I'm on Firefox, yeah. Let's see how Firefox works. So this would be your proofing gallery. So you see these different options, and you might be like, ooh, there's a bag there, or like, ooh, this one's too dark, but that's okay because all of that will be retouched in the post-production. So say, for the purposes of the West Star Studio portrait pop-up, your donation to the dog rescue gave you 1 complimentary image. So normally these sessions, if I had come to your barn and set up my lights and everything, that alone would be $250, and you would not receive any digital images. So it'd be like the traditional sitting fee. So for this one, you did receive a digital image. So say you like this one. So I'm gonna click on it, and to tell me that this is the free one you want edited, you simply have to press the favorite, and then you need to write your name and your email in there. And you press get started, and it'll automatically send it to me, so I will see what your favorites are. So again, just clarifying, 1 digital image was included. So to pick that one, please use the favorite function, and please don't screenshot and send it to me. It's just, if you do it this way, I get the exact image number and everything, and I can copy it over to my post-production software. Plus, I would ask to not screenshot or save these because these are unedited proofs, and screenshotting and saving them is actually stealing from me, stealing from a small business. So please don't, please. So if you did want to buy additionals, or even say you wanted to buy a print of the one that you did get complimentary, you could click on buy, and once you get to this pop-up, you will see all the different options available to you. And you can click through and kind of get a little mock-up of what it would look like, and the sizing, etc. And if you have a vertical print, you can click rotate, and it'll move it around to the different aspect ratio, and you can click different frame types, matte, color, etc. All right, so that's all for today, folks. Hope that clarifies some things.